A/B trading stands for account building and is one of the best ways to grow a small account into a really big one using active trading strategies taught in our course, 15 Minutes to Financial Freedom. This is what I started out with as a cryptocurrency trader, finding volatile charts just like the one I'm going to share with you today and trading them over and over and over. Now, chances are you've seen charts that look just like this one. This is INSP. This is on Bybit, and this chart regularly pumps 40, 50, 60, 70%, but it also has these little minor pumps of 25%. This in itself is literally insane. But I've actually learned how to trade charts like these, and I took a trade on this back on the 3rd of July. And obviously, I took profit at 22%, which is great. And even though it went up higher and it didn't trigger my next target for taking profit, I kind of expect it to happen anyway, just because I've seen these charts and I've traded them for such a long time. But in this video, I want to share why I trade like this, how you can trade like this, and the benefit of doing so. So, why do I trade like this? Well, for one, it's fun. Account building is a great way to grow a small account into a big one. I have a playlist that's going to pop up at the end of this video that is my A/B trading challenge, where I sought to grow $100 into $1,000 in just a month. Now, it took 3 months because I got busy with vacations and life, but I grew it up to $800. So this method of trading literally helps you make a lot of money. And the best part is that you don't need leverage. You can just use spot trading. Now, I do recommend that you use this platform. This is Altrady. Altrady is the best third-party trading platform that exists in the market. This thing is awesome. This is designed for active trading for what I'm doing right now. So if you don't have access to Altrady, there's a link in the description below. And yes, you can try it out for free and see how it goes. But understand that if you're going to be a serious trader, especially an active trader like this, you want to use Altrady. Now, the reason why is because of complicated order sets. For one, I have an entry here and I have multiple split targets. Plus, I also have a trailing stop enabled. So when the price of INSP happens to pop up here another 68%, it will enable a trailing stop, which will fall behind the price at a percentage of about 5%. So every 5%, the price goes up higher. If we happen to get one of these incredible wicks where the price goes up an additional 41%, it's going to continue trailing behind until finally the price goes against it. And then you can't see that. And then it goes against it. And then it finally closes out the position in a lot more profit. So instead of 60% profit, it might be more like 24% profit. So trailing is a great idea. But the reason why I love splitting up my trades like this to take multiple take profit targets is because of this beautiful button right here. Well, this line right here says break even. What this means is that the price of INSP literally has to fall 24% in order for me to hit break even, meaning that I'm actually in the green. I'm in the green all the way down here, another 24% from the current price. Now, when we finally go below this, then I'm not in the green anymore. But because I have done two things really well, I am now at a break-even spot and I'm sitting nice and pretty. And again, as I close all my videos, staying awesome and staying in the green. The first thing I've done is I have de-risked my position. I've de-risked it because I have an initial investment of $333 here, and I've recovered $204, which is awesome. So I have a remaining amount here of $128 worth of INSP tokens. So I have significantly de-risked my position by selling more than 50%, which is great. So you can see here, I've realized $38 of profit. Now, if I wanted to close the position right now, which I really don't want to, then I would walk away with in total $41, which is good, profit's profit, but I really want to be able to squeeze more out. And I want to be prepared just in case the price goes against me. So this is where things get really cool. I'm actually going to come up here and I'm going to add and edit my position. Now, when I do this, you're going to notice a couple of things. When I hit add and edit, it's going to allow me to change my trailing area. It's going to do all that fun stuff, but it's also going to allow me to change how much I'm going to add into the position. So I want to go ahead and add another target right here. And by adding another target, I'm going to put in not the same amount that I put into the trade. I actually want to reinvest my profits. So back over here, I recovered $204. So that means I need to subtract this amount from $204 from my total position size up here. So it's going to be something around $500, I believe. So let's see. 167. So now we need to add about 540. Cool. There we go. $207. Close enough. Awesome. So, what this does now is basically I'm taking all of my reinvested profits back into the position in case it falls against me. Now, where do I put this position? Well, it wouldn't make sense to put it right back up here because that would bring my break even price up a little bit more. What I really want to do is I want to take advantage of any weird wicks that happen if the price happens to fall down dramatically. And I'm going to do that by placing my extra order way down here. Now, in reality, if I was to trade this much more aggressively, I'd be on the hourly time frame. I would probably go for this wick right here, so that way I can catch a nice quick little pop up of 18%. But because I'm looking for a much bigger target, I have a much wider area that I'm going to be adding in funds. So what will happen is if the price of INSP falls down another 22%, my break-even price isn't going to change. But what will happen is once I get a fat finger wick down here, then this order gets filled, I can create a new take profit target to sell basically where I was before, and I can drastically move down my break even price even farther. And I do this over and over and over until I finally walk away with my profits. Now, there are more strategies that I share in our course at thebettertraders.com, 15 Minutes to Financial Freedom. When I talk about A/B trading, I am not kidding. This is one of the best ways to grow an account. A/B trading is one of the best ways to grow a small account into a big one. And I can't give you everything, but I can teach you a little bit here on YouTube, showing you how I can use Altrady to do something fantastic in growing my portfolio. So again, one of the best things that you can do with charts like this that you find is you don't share them. So unfortunately, after this video goes live, the volume might be impacted and the price will change because I'm filming this now on my Tuesday and I have this video scheduled for Sunday. So we'll see what happens. Maybe we might get a fat finger wick down. I might get filled and I might have a lot of trading activity. It might even pump up to my take profit target. But the reality is that trading charts like this over and over and over again will allow me to compound my portfolio's growth over and over and over. Now, don't get me wrong, I still love bot trading, which again is why the course is so good. It talks about bot trading being an assistive strategy, and then A/B trading and using the TBO are great active trading strategies that you can use to grow your crypto portfolio trading charts that you don't even need to have leverage. You don't need to use futures. You don't have to have leverage. You don't have to worry about getting liquidated. This is the best way to do it. So, let me know what you think about this, especially the chart down below. Do not share other charts that you are trading right now. Keep that to yourself, but learn from the chart that I'm sharing with you. And I'll make sure to do a follow-up video to let you know how this trade actually ended up. So until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.